Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Contrafect Corporation, ticker symbol CFRX, a positive clinical trial play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, we always do your due diligence, folks. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. Today, for example, pre-market, we picked BAOS, which ran 150%. Also, today we called MIM, which ran 134%. We just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we look at candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with Contrafect Corporation, ticker symbol CFRX, which is located in Yonkers, New York. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ healthcare biotechnology company with a $5.28 million market cap and 23 employees. CFRX is a late clinical stage biotechnology company focused on advancing therapeutic protein and antibody products to combat life-threatening drug-resistant infectious diseases in the United States. At the forefront of their efforts is Exapicase, which is a license that is currently undergoing phase 3 clinical trials. Exapicase is a treatment for Staphylococcus aureus bacteremia. It's staph, basically, a severe and challenging condition. In addition to Exapicase, Contrafect is actively developing a license called CF296. CFRX was established in 2008. So let's look now at CFRX's most recent news. On June the 8th, CFRX announced news regarding its engineered license potential efficacy against antibiotic-resistant pathogens. The company has been chosen to present a series of informative posters at the ASM Microbe Conference scheduled to take place in Houston, Texas from June 15th through the 19th in 2023. CFRX will showcase these 4 posters at the conference. One of the featured presentations will focus on CF370 and a notable development demonstrating its efficacy against neutropenic rabbit pneumonia model. A study specifically highlights CF370's efficiency against an extensive drug-resistant strain of Klebsiella pneumoniae. It's pretty tough stuff. This catalyst started pushing the price of CFRX stock upward today on high volume and could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We're just made different. The early bird gets the cash. And by the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of materials on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, and how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Contrafect Corporation, CFRX, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the healthcare biotechnology sector. CFRX is a company we will be watching. The news about the promising results in trials with an engineered lysine CF370 against an extensively drug-resistant strain of Klebsiella pneumoniae may potentially keep the price of CFRX stock moving upward tomorrow. With continued increased volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. CFRX's financials are not great, so we will not be holding any positions as we may take as a swing or a trade or a long term. Will CFRX run parabolic? We'll need a lot of volume, but who knows for sure? We are still in a bearish market. Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade the stock. This is not advice. We are not pros. It's just my opinion, and I will definitely have CFRX on my watch list. This is Double Moms, folks, and I'll catch you on the flip side.